Hello investors, how's everybody doing? So today I'm going to be going over my M1 Finance dividend portfolio once again for you. So there's going to be a monthly update telling you guys how the portfolio is doing up right now, if we're up or down for the month. Currently we're actually down from what we were at on the previous video. I think we're down about $50. The market's kind of been going down the last couple of days for me. So originally we invested $5,000, so we're up about $73.27 on this portfolio. So this pie is up about, or this whole dividend portfolio is up about 1.65%. So we're going to be going through these pies and pretty much checking out how the stocks are doing within the pies. So the first pie right here is going to be the real estate pie. Overall, we're down about $25.47 on this pie, which is negative 2.5%. We have store capital right here. We're down about $11.76, which is 2.6%. We have about 13 shares in here, and as you guys can see, my average price right there. So yeah, this one's not doing good for us. Next up, we have Realty Income, O, ticker symbol O. We're down about $15.41 on this position, which is about negative 5%. And we have about 4.3 shares of this stock right here. Next we have Welltower. Welltower, I'm actually doing okay. I'm up $1.70, which is about 0.5%. And I have about 3 shares of this one. The next pie we're going to be looking at is the consumer pie right here. So overall, we're up about $41.40 in this pie, which is about 4.7%. The first stock in the pie is going to be Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, we're doing pretty decent. We're up about $4.19, which is 1.4%. We have about 5.8 shares of Coke. Next up, we have Walmart here. Walmart, we're up about $20 on this one. It's about 8% up, which is great. We only own about 2.5 shares of Walmart. Next up, we have PepsiCo. So this one, we're down about $2.08, which is about 1.1% down. And we have 1.4 shares of Pepsi. Last but not least, in the consumer pie, we have Amazon. Amazon has been doing great for us. We're up about $19.23, which means we're up about 13.3% on this position. And as you can see, we only have about $144 of Amazon. The next pie we're going to be looking at is the bonds and ETFs. So we have SPHD, which is first up. We're up about $8.42 on this one, which is about 2.5%. And we have about 8.2 shares of SPHD. The next ETF here that we have is VNQ. VNQ is a real estate holdings, so this one we're down about $1.31, which is about 0.5%, and we have 3.3 shares. Last up in the bonds and ETFs is LQD. We are up about $5.50 in this position, which is 2.55%, and we own 1.7 shares. Next up is the telecommunications. So we have right here, as you can see, we're up about $18.50 on this position, and that's about 2.8%. So first up, we have Comcast. Comcast is doing pretty decent for me. I'm up about $14.43, which is about 5.5%, and I have about 8 shares of Comcast. Here we have Verizon. So on Verizon, we're down $1.28, which is about 0.5%, and we own 4.8 shares. Last but not least, we have AT&T. So AT&T, we're up $5.32, which is almost 4% gain, and we own 4.28 shares. Next up, we're going to be looking at the utilities pie. In the utilities pie, we have we're up about $4.06, which is about 0.7%. So first up, we have SO, Southern Company. Southern Company, we are up $1.11, so 0.5%, and we own 4 shares of Southern. Next up, we have Dominion Energy. On Dominion Energy, we are up about $1.27, which is about 0.68%, and we own 2.44 shares. Last up in the utilities, we have Duke Energy. Duke Energy, we are up $1.68, which is 1.22%, and I have about 1.5 shares of this one. Next up, we have the health. So this one has been doing bad this month because of the Johnson & Johnson lawsuit going on, but this so this portfolio right here, or this pie, is down about $9, so 2.5%. So first up, we have Pfizer. Pfizer is down 65 cents for me, about 0.4%, and I own 4 shares of Pfizer. And then we have Johnson & Johnson. This one has been doing very bad lately, but I think this is a great time to stock up on some more. If I had more money, I would grab some more. I'm down $8 in this position, which is almost 4.5%. and I have 1.28 shares of Johnson & Johnson. Next up, we have the tech. This one always doing amazing. Microsoft just had earnings. The Microsoft earnings were amazing. It blew it through the roof. Microsoft actually hit all-time highs for a minute right there. But I'm up $25.41 on this pie, which is about 8.5%. Microsoft, as you can see right here, I'm up $25.41, which is 8.5%. And I own about 2.4 shares of Microsoft. So last but not least, we have the finance pie right here. So in the finance pie, we are up $14.54, which is about 3.6% up. And the stock we own in here is JPM, so JP Morgan Chase. On this position, we are up $14.54, which is about 3.5%. And we own 2.73 shares, so this is pretty good. So as you guys can see, the portfolio, is not doing good this month, but we're still up about $73. So, for the year, this is my second month of having this portfolio. So it's not actually doing that bad. We're going to just keep getting those dividends. If you guys want, I can make a dividend video, and I'll actually, I might combine my Robinhood and my M1 Finance, because I have some dividends on my Robinhood account, like Microsoft and Disney, because I have those stocks on there as well. So if you guys want, I can leave a comment below, and maybe I'll make a video, like a monthly dividend update, so I can show you guys what dividends I am receiving every month. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave a comment below, what is your favorite dividend stock to hold in your portfolio, and which one has brought you back the most money. As you can see, I think I have about 20 stocks, or somewhere around 20 stocks in this portfolio. Most of the sectors are doing good. I'm only down on the health, and I'm down on the real estate ones, but I feel like, long term they will recover, and this is just pretty much a very, very long term hold for dividends. So it doesn't really matter what the stock is doing, but it is nice to see some positive numbers as well.